Alright everyone, welcome back to another video, and this evening what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the kitway band for the Samsung Galaxy Watch series. Okay, so in particular, this band that we're getting ready to take a look at here this evening is compatible with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, 5, 4, 4 Classic, and 6 Classic series of Samsung watches. Alright? And the really interesting thing about this watch band that really piqued my interest as to why I went ahead and requested it for review is that this particular watch band supposedly comes with the quick release buttons. Okay, so instead of having to fight with the quick release pins, you just push this button, notch it in, unclick the button, it stays in, push the other button, notch it in, unclick the button, it stays in. And this was the style of band that I was saying that CMF by nothing should have implemented on their latest smartwatch, because this supposedly is supposed to make the overall installation process super easy. But, you know, I can't just talk about it, I gotta be about it, so I had to bring some of those watch bands in and try them for myself, and that was also a big reason why I decided to make the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic the next wearable that I take a look at in 2024. So let's go ahead and take this out. Y'all can see fairly simple packaging there. Okay, just like that. Okay, and here we have our watch bands, right? And I went ahead to try and make this video as struggle-free as I can make it, and I uninstalled the previous watch band that I had on. Okay, so this was my previous watch band, the BAEEAT watch band. I went ahead and uninstalled that off camera so I can attempt to give y'all a installation guide in this unboxing and first impressions video. But here is what the bands look like themselves. So here's the buckle piece, and you can see it's just simply silicone plastic material with your quick release buttons right here. And you can see the pins are integrated into the button. So here's one side, and here's the other side, all right? And then you can see it's the same thing for the adjustable band portion. Here's the button itself, right there. And then here's one side with the quick release pin on it, right there. And then here's the other side with the quick release pin on it, right there. And hopefully the installation process for these is super easy, right? So essentially, what all I have to do here is, you can see we got our pinholes for the main watch portion here and here, okay, on both sides. And essentially, all I have to do is push the button and notch them in. All right, so that's what I'm going to attempt to do. You push the button and you notch them in. So let's see how this works. Okay, so let me check the button clickiness. Okay, nice clicky button. Okay, so then you would push the button and you would line it up like that. And I can see I only got one side. And then you supposedly let it go and it's in. Did I get it? Haha, first try. So yeah, that's it. That is it. That is beautiful. All right, so y'all can see I clicked the button, I lined it up, and I let the button go, and it's in there. Okay, and it's not going nowhere. So that's one side done. And y'all see how easy that was? Now let's go ahead and do the other side, and I'm going to try to get the important bit on camera for y'all. So let's hold it this way so y'all can see. So there's the button. Just going to click it, line it up. Okay, try not to mess it up. Line it up, drop it in there, and then let it go. That's it, and it clicks into place. That's all she wrote. And now it's on there. And so now, y'all see how pain-free that installation was? That was awesome, right? And now I can just easily put the watch on, put it through the loops, line it up, and we're in business. So that was awesome, man. So now all I gotta do is put it on here. As a matter of fact, let me do the installation part off camera. So let me move my camera forward a little bit. All right, my bad, everyone. There we go. I got it on the right way now, in the proper orientation, and everything is good to go. Let me go ahead and give y'all my first impressions here. So essentially, all you have to do is you click it on, then you loop it through, it locks, and then you slide it through to get rid of the extra band right there. And first impressions of the fit and the feel with the kitway band is, I'd have to say, it is really good, okay? It's really good. The band material itself is nice and comfortable on my wrist, and I got that nice solid fit, okay? So first impressions of the kitway band for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, it seems to be top notch. And I have to say, the quick release buttons, oh my gosh. Yes, Samsung, yes. You guys should have came out with this a long time ago. This makes it so much easier. So much easier. No quick release pins to fight with. No little small tabs to juggle with your fat fingers and small hands. If you got fat fingers and small hands like myself, yes. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put this watch band through its paces, go ahead and write up my full written review, and then come back with the video review after about a week and let you guys and gals know what I think about this watch band for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic and whether or not I can recommend it. But that being said, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope you found it helpful. If you did that, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. As always, if you'd like to see more content like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you click off the notification bell right next to it. And please feel free to follow me across all the social media platforms. This way you're guaranteed to get notified when new videos go live on the channel. And if this video piqued your guys and gals interest and y'all like to know, and you guys would like to know where, y'all can pick up this watch band right here at some really great prices. All the affiliated buy links for this watch band will be available down below in the video description, as well as affiliated buy links for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic itself. And as the name implies, when you get things or make purchases from those affiliated buy links, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So those affiliated buy links, in my opinion, are like win-wins for everyone. All right? Today's video, or this evening's video, is being recorded on the rear-facing primary 12 megapixel camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10e in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. Just remember, guys and gals, to keep it respectful, please. Okay? Hope everyone's having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there. And I will catch everyone in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. Boy, them quick release pins are like magic. And I do like this combination, baby. This is a sweet combination right here. Oh, yeah, I think I'm really going to enjoy this. Let's go. I'll catch you guys and gals in the next one. We're out of here. Have a good one. Peace.